It's lunchtime on Tonlei. We're already on our way again, away from that anchorage, onwards to a port, probably, the first port in almost a month, where we will stay for a few days maybe. And the captain is snacking. Yesterday was an extraordinarily windy day at anchor. I think we didn't film much because we were super tired from sailing here. But after a super windy day and a calm night, we have decided to move on because it's supposed to be super windy again today and then no wind tomorrow. So while being on the motor now, we will be able to sail up the east coast of Hierro, and it's just nicer to sail than to motor. So we chose to leave. And it's really nice motoring along the coast here. It looks very beautiful. It's volcanic like everything, but it has some trees and some color to it. It's beautiful.
So as soon as we are around the corner, Robert tries to call the harbor via VHF. But except from Adelante, we didn't get much. So Adelante we go and just hope they have a space for us.
Is picking up speed.
With our genoa and chip set, we also picked up some speed and zigzag-tagged up the east coast of El Hierro to the harbor of La Estaca.
And then, just like that, I hear for the first time that sexy rrrr of the fishing reel going off, signifying that we have a fish on the line. Our first fish caught while sailing. Amazing! This is one of the things I have been looking forward to. Trolling, fishing from the sailboat, targeting those large pelagic species, and after a few minutes of reeling in, I realize I have exactly the fish on the line I was hoping for. A Mahi Mahi, or dolphin fish, or dorado how they're sometimes called. A pelagic hunting fish that is fairly common in warmer waters and that tastes absolutely amazing and has been a dream fish of mine to catch for a very, very long time. And now finally I got one on the line and I even managed to get it in.
Alright.
I'm in heaven.
This is the first fish from the boat. And we have a beautiful Mahi Mahi. a Mahi Mahi. It is a female because the head doesn't have this like the head is not square but it's flat, so it's a small female. There would be another male out there. They usually travel in pairs. This is a small one, so I'm not sure if it's already spawning ready. Could just be. I'm not sure if we continue fishing because we have a fish now, and I think that's it. That's all we need.
Yeah.
But look at the beautiful fish. Look at how this fin, this beautiful sailing fin here up. Wow, how that opens up. Awesome. Very satisfied. All right, folks, we have arrived. We are in Puerto de la Estaca in El Hierro. Had to motor a little bit for the last hour to get here because the wind was straight in our nose. So in order to arrive during daylight, we motored a bit. It's nice. It's small. But very new. It's cute. So we're gonna rest here for a few days, continue working a bit on the boat, and then pick up some crew again. There is another crew coming in about a week, so we're gonna pick that guy up. So now it's time for a clean shirt and then the harbor office. Tonlei out. Sometimes it's time to rent a car because you want to explore the inside of the island. And look at this. It's green. There's trees. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I haven't seen trees, like proper trees in such a long time, except the odd one around the shopping center or a golf course. But this looks like a proper, like a natural forest, and it's beautiful. Going for a short hike here, and I'm super excited. Look at this. This is a proper cloud forest again. We have the mosses that are growing here from the trees. So the shape of the branches and the mosses there, all is made to capture moisture from the air, from the clouds and the fog. When the trade winds hit the island, hit the elevation, and they rise up, they expand, they cool down, and all the humidity condensates on these trees, on the mosses, drips down on the floor, and the tree roots can then take it up. So it's like a symbiosis between the mosses and the trees that kind of fuel each other and make each other the water availability. Awesome, love it. I love it. It's like a really, how do you say that? It's a really pristine feeling to be here again, to be in a forest again. The air smells nice of forest. I mean, the air in the boat smells nice of sea, but this is some green stuff. We even have some stretches with thyme growing and other herbs, and the smell in the air is fantastic. And then you walk a bit on and back in the forest. Really nice. Look at these, the mosses. So it really shows that this is a cloud forest. Ooh, the landscape is changing. Becomes more open.
We finished our hike with a very beautiful view over an old volcanic crater. This day of forest bathing was well needed and filled up our energetically low earth chakras. No, I'm kidding, but it was a very well appreciated change in scenery and very relaxing.